Okay, guys, so this is where we stopped off last time. Um, as you can see, we have the contract details, the front end. Now I've asked we have to create 20 sample markets for me using polymarket markets as a reference. Keep it sports specific. So let's try that. And then once they create the product, let them deploy it with the wallet. So let's see. I've just updated the app as well. So it's downloading a few new tools, but just made some updates, so let's see if it can continue building for me now. So I'll deploy on Sapolia using the connected wallet. I think I'll have to connect the wallet. Yes. Cool. Yes. Cool, cool. I mean, you can get the wallet from here as well, the Google Cloud Faucet. I was thinking that maybe today evening, yeah, might build and go live stream and try to build a app that can generate, I don't know, 1 million ARR for me or for the app and live stream building apps till we get there. So that is something that I will be trying very soon on Matterhorn on a daily basis, and let's see how that goes. So this could all very well be that app as well. But create a script. Okay. All right. Brilliant. Okay, I didn't know Tyson Fury Usyk rematch was there. The previous one was brilliant. Loved it. All right. These are sample clearly since it's talking about Nadal and Nadal has retired. So let's see maybe if we can link the Polymarket API to get live markets that are available there that we could deploy here as well. So use the wallet MCP to call the contract. Okay. Yep, deploy the front end again. Maybe I'll have to top up my credits pretty soon. Uh, Go ahead. Option 2. I could do this as well. I can just deploy it from here itself rather than go to the browser and do it. So, okay, cool. Can add multiple wallets as well if I choose. This is all the accounts. This is the settings. This is my account. Cool, cool. Yep. I've got Matterhorn Pro here. I've got the Zama agent. Perfect. Let's allow and see what can be built. I'm gonna try and see, if I can push it on testnet and maybe even on the mainnet to see what could be done. Okay. Simple deployment script, deploy all the markets, and then we should be able to test out the front end as well. So let me just load that. Okay, cool. Deployment script. Okay, so it's done. Try the application now on localhost. Perfect. Sorry, this is the older one, but yeah. Almost done, I guess. This is the older app that we have. Uh, let's see if we can connect and get the sample markets. And also maybe we can improve the UI to say how users can encrypt the predictions that they make if they choose. Should be able to look, I should be able to try and get Polymarket API as well. So let me try to get that from Polymarket. Okay, wallet connected. All right, so as you can see, I can't extract the private key from the wallet MCP. This is some guardrails that we have put, more for mainly for wallet security. So, perfect. Contract API. Deploy via wallet. Brilliant. We can cover the whole process of deployment just through this platform alone. Perfect. Approve. Brilliant. Approved from the wallet. Let me deploy all 20. Deploy them one by one. Okay, we should go through, I think, a series of approvals, or maybe we can bunch all of them to a single transaction. Let's see how the pro version deals with this. Okay, so looks like we approve one by one. Yep, we got to approve all of them one by one. 19, 18, 17, 16, till 0. Let's approve all of them. It's sending all the transactions from the wallet. I think there is enough to cover. If there isn't, I can get more from the faucet. That's cool. I think two additions would be, so since we're creating our own markets, we can get the existing markets from Polymarket API, and we can also set up something very important for a prediction market, which would be the Oracle. So we should be able to set up the Oracle as well. I think we can do that in the next step, or maybe it has already been set up, in which case we'll just go through the code and check if it's already been set up. So let's finish these approvals first. Then we will go and check if these markets are there on the front end, maybe improve the front end a bit more, provide a way through which users can encrypt or not encrypt based on what they'd like to do. So yes, the road to 1 million ARR for a Web3 app begins today. Cool. All right. Some failed due to encoding issues. Okay, no problem. We'll wait for these also to complete. So approving the others as well. Approve, 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 approve. I mean, I said sample markets. I think next I'm just going to get the Polymarket API and try to get actual markets that are available. What we could do is maybe get the actual markets that are available, and I don't know if it's possible, but I think encrypt what we push onto maybe we could try. Maybe if we can encrypt what we can push and keep that private. But in any case, let's see if we can see these live markets. If it has, so you can broad market, make predictions, track results, private betting. Okay, so let's see if it can shift. Okay, connect the wallet first. Wallet connected. Trade market. Okay, I'd like to see the active markets. Okay, trade market. Trade market. No markets yet. So let's see. I'm not able to see the 20 sample markets that I have created. Make it visible on the UI. Okay, let's see if we can actually make it visible on the interface. I mean, if I can spend whatever 24 hours continuously, I'm sure I can um, wipe code the entire platform end to end, maybe less than that as well. But let's see what we can do. Just figuring out how we can make the redeploy to Versal, basically the new UI. Going to be redeploying, and then let's see. A lot of interesting stuff could be built, of course, around prediction markets. Maybe we can look at aggregating markets or providing our own markets or providing the users create a market plus aggregating liquidity from other markets, and then maybe we could layer on some privacy on that. I'm not sure, but pretty sure this it's not possible to do, but we could give it a shot. Let's first look at creating our own markets, and then let's look at aggregating as the next step with the APIs. Okay, so we got so the deployment was yeah, it's always a long process. Though with the agent improvements are coming up, that should be much more seamless from now. Hey guys, so I think we're almost done. We should be able to redeploy and then see the application. Um, I think there's a lot of outside calls that the platform is making. Redeployed perfect. So I think redeploying we should be able to deploy again and then should be able to do see the application with the front end. Just waiting for that to get cleared up and then should be good to go. Okay, redeployed, but no wonder it was taking some time because the public RPC is down. We should try with Alchemy, but that's why I think it was taking a lot of time. Hmm. Okay, let's wait for it to finish.